Hello everyone, I'm back for yet another video, but this one is a bit more interesting. And as you can see, I'm not in the regular E46. And as you saw by the last video, I got rid of the E46. So what could I be in? Some of you may already know what I'm in, but let's cut to what I've got. And there it is, I have bought myself a 535D E60 BMW. Now, the price-wise, I didn't do too bad. I paid 2k for this, and there's a reason for that, because it has literally been to the moon and back with a total of 244,000 miles on the clock. Now, I know a lot of you will be sort of cringing at that high mileage, but on the plus side of things, the previous owner has had the chain replaced. We've had the swirl flaps removed, and the gearbox has been serviced at least once in the past. So that's the main thing. We are due another service on the gearbox, and I think the oil, with diesels you can never tell with the oil, so I think I'm just going to give it a service anyway. I've got a new air filter coming for it, I've got some new pollen filters for it, and some new bonnet gas struts, because there's nothing more annoying than gas struts that are failing on the bonnet. But yeah, here it is. And to be honest, I'll do a video a bit more in depth with it at a later date. But my god, like, I've never owned anything sort of over 170 brake horsepower and nothing that powerful. But this 535D is, it's I think 282 brake horsepower and 580 Newton meters of torque, I think, and it's just unreal. Like, I've never known anything like it. Like, I've had the car for about 2 days now, and I only dare to put my foot down about halfway, and it just literally rips. But yeah, that is a reveal for my new car. If you do remember, I did have one of these as a touring, but it was a 525 before. So there's a lot of stuff I can do on this, but I won't be able to do videos on because I've sort of already done it. If anything, it won't be sort of a how-to style video. It'll be more just be, I'm doing this on the car, look at the state of how bad the old one was. It'll be that sort of principle, because even though they are different variants, they are the same engine basically. So this one's just got two turbos strapped to it. But anyway, that is it for this video, guys. Hope you do like the new car. If you are enjoying the content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, peace.